Hey tech lover, thanks for watching MacTech. Many of you want to download videos from Vimeo website, but you cannot because there is no option to download. In today's video, I will show you how you can download videos from Vimeo platform with a super easy and safe process. It is 100% working trick and you can download Vimeo videos just with a simple click. Before going to the main tutorial, I have a request to you. Please use this video only for educational purposes. Respect copyright policies and I recommend these for your personal and educational use. Not misuse it for any illegal gains. With this said, let's get started. At first, you have to open a browser. I recommend Google Chrome for this purpose. Then go to Google search bar and then you have to search for Vimeo plugin, then hit enter button. Here you can see the first one, Vimeo video downloader. This is a Chrome extension, so it's really safe and you don't have to worry about this because it is very lightweight. Click Vimeo video downloader. Here you can see there are almost 3 million users here and it has got 5-star ratings. It's a very useful plugin for your Chrome browser. Now you have to click Add to Chrome. Then you have to select Add Extension. Okay, after that you can see this type of confirmation Vimeo video downloader has been added to Chrome. Close this. After that go to Vimeo and then search for your video. Suppose I want to download this one, so I am clicking this video. In this video you can see there is a download icon added here by the Chrome extension. You just have to click this download icon and then choose the resolution and size. I want this video in 180 pixel, so I am selecting this one. Here you can see the download have started. The download here, this is downloading. So I hope that was very simple and easy process to download a video from Vimeo website. You can't use this process in your Vimeo app, so you have to use a browser and it should be Google Chrome, and you can also use other browser to download Vimeo videos from Vimeo website. So I hope that was very useful tutorial for you guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then like my video and hope I will come back with another video tutorial like this. Till then, keep watching MacTech.